In this video, we built on the same CRUD foundation, this time using a mailing list as a real-world example. On the front end, we're looking at a simple mailing list management screen. This allows an admin to add new subscribers, view existing entries, update details, and remove records when needed. It's the same CRUD cycle: create, read, update, delete, just applied to real data. Every action here connects directly to the database. No duplications, no shortcuts, one source of truth. What you see on the screen is a reflection of what exists in the database. On the back end, the mailing list is sorted in a dedicated table. Each column has a clear purpose: identifiers, contact information, status, and timestamps. This structure allows the system to stay fast, organized, and easy to maintain as the list grows. Good CRUD systems don't start with features, they start with structure. When the database is clean, the front end stays simple and the system remains stable over time. The same structure can later support automation, segmentation, and analytics without changing the foundation. This is a practical CRUD system, not over-engineered, not fragile. Simple structure, clear data flow, and a foundation that can grow. This is how we build systems at WebServe: simple, effective, and built to last.